You want to launch your own supplement brand in 2026, Supliful or Rocktomic? They look similar on the surface, but picking the wrong one could cost you real money. In the next 3 minutes, I'll break down exactly what separates them. And if you find this useful, hit that like button right now. Let's get into it. Overview, quick context before we dive in. Supliful is a pure play print-on-demand dropshipping platform. You pick a product, slap your label on it, integrate with Shopify or TikTok Shop, and they handle everything from there. No upfront inventory, no minimum orders. Rocktomic is more of a white label supplement manufacturer that also does fulfillment. They manufacture their own products in-house, offer done-for-you branding, and come with built-in marketing training. Think of it less like a platform and more like a business in a box. Supliful is built for e-commerce entrepreneurs, dropshippers, and content creators who want speed and low startup costs. Rocktomic targets a different crowd: doctors, gym owners, personal trainers, and fitness influencers who want a more professional setup with handholding along the way. Now let's get into where it actually matters. Pricing and entry cost, starting with the money, because this is where a lot of people get surprised. Supliful's base plan starts at $29 month or $23 month if you pay yearly. Their plus plan is $49 month, and the business plan jumps to $349 month. First month is just $1 across most plans, so the barrier to entry is very low. Rocktomic's entry-level membership starts at $59 month. Their mid-tier at $99 month adds done-for-you logo design, and their top plan at $257 month layers in 11 marketing courses from Digital Marketer. Important note, the monthly fee doesn't cover the cost of the product or the fulfillment fee. Those are separate charges on top. Winner here, Supliful for flexibility. You can literally start for $1. Product catalog Supliful offers 250 plus SKUs, trending, niche, and variety products, including supplements, skincare, and even food items. Rocktomic has around 140 plus SKUs, curated more tightly around health, supplements, and wellness. More SKUs means more room to experiment, test different niches, and upsell. If you're just starting out and don't know what will sell, Supliful's catalog gives you more flexibility. But Rocktomic's tighter catalog is actually a strength for one specific reason. Every product comes with a certificate of analysis and a 3D mockup template. They don't overwhelm you, they guide you. Winner, Supliful for variety, Rocktomic for curated quality. Speed to launch, Rocktomic claims most brands go live within 7 days. And based on their onboarding model where they handle your logo design and store setup, that's actually believable. Supliful is even faster if you're self-sufficient. Connect Shopify, design your label in Canva, and you can technically be live in 24 hours. But if you need hand-holding, that speed doesn't help much. Winner, tie. Fast for both, but Rocktomic wins on guided speed. Supliful wins on raw speed. Compliance and quality. This is a big one. You're selling something people consume. Supliful works with suppliers who meet FDA guidelines, ensuring compliance for e-commerce distribution. Rocktomic goes a step further, manufacturing in FDA-registered, GMP-certified facilities with third-party lab testing on every product batch. If your target audience is health professionals, athletes, or anyone who's going to scrutinize the label, Rocktomic's compliance credentials are stronger and more transparent. Winner, Rocktomic on compliance depth. Return Supliful fully handles returns on their end, stress-free for you as a seller. With Rocktomic, returns are your responsibility. This matters more than people think, especially if you're selling at volume. Managing returns manually as a solo founder is a real operational headache. Winner, Supliful, and it's not close. Integrations Supliful connects with Shopify and TikTok Shop natively. Rocktomic integrates with 30 plus e-commerce platforms including Amazon FBA, Walmart, Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix. If you're planning to sell on Amazon or Walmart, Rocktomic has a clear advantage here. Supliful's integration is simpler, but limited. Winner, Rocktomic for platform reach. So here's the honest breakdown. Choose Supliful if you're a content creator, a first-time entrepreneur, or anyone who wants to move fast, keep costs low, and not deal with operational complexity. The platform handles returns, has a massive catalog, and is built for the modern digital seller. Choose Rocktomic if you're a trainer, health professional, or someone building a brand for a trust-sensitive audience. People who care about GMP certification, third-party testing, and clinical credibility. The higher entry cost comes with more done-for-you support, stronger compliance, and broader platform integrations. Bottom line, Supliful is your launchpad. Rocktomic is your brand builder. Different tools, different goals. If this helped you make a decision, smash that like button and subscribe. I break down tools like this every week so you don't waste time or money. Links to both platforms are in the description below. See you in the next one.